Assalamualaikum. My name is Sadia Education Mani. I am a student at Rahan School and I have been studying here for about 2 months. I enjoy learning new ideas, improve my skill, and explore topic that helps grow and success. Today I am going to present a summary of the inspiring talk, The Science of Motivation by Don Pink. Introduction of Don Pink. Don Pink, commonly known as Don Pink, is a best-selling author, speaker, and expert on human behavior, motivation, and workplace performance. He has written several influential books about business, leadership, and personal development. Through his research, Pink explored what truly motivates people to perform at their best and achieve meaningful success. Summary of the talk in his talk, Pink challenges the traditional belief that people are mainly motivated by rewards and punishments. For many years, organizations and schools have used rewards such as money, prizes, grades, and bonuses to encourage better performance. However, Don Pink explains that scientific research shows that these external rewards do not always improve performance. In fact, for tasks that requires creativity, problem solving, and critical thinking, large reward can sometimes reduce performance because people become focused only on reward rather than the task itself. He describes this traditional approach as motivation 2.0, which is based on reward and punishment. While this method may work for simple and repetitive tasks, it is less effectively in today's world where innovation and creativity are essential. According to Don Pink, an approach called Motivation 3.0 is needed. This approach focuses on three important elements: autonomy. Autonomy means having control over how we do our work. People are more motivated. They have the freedom to make decisions, choose their methods, and take responsibility of their task. When individuals feel trusted, they become more engaged and productive. Mastery is the desire to improve and become better at something. People naturally enjoy learning new skills and overcoming challenges. Continuous improvement give a sense of achievement and satisfaction. Don Ping believes that the motivation increases when people are encouraged to develop their abilities and reach their full potential. Purpose means understanding why our work matters. People are motivated when they feel their efforts contributes to some meaningful work toward a larger goals, create a stronger sense of commitments. Don Pink argues that when people have autonomy, mastery, and purpose, they becomes are more motivated, creative, and success. These factors help individuals perform better not because they are chasing rewards but because they genuinely care about what they are doing. What I learned from this talk taught me that the true motivation comes from within. While rewards can be helpful, sometimes lasting motivation comes from having goals, improving our skills, and finding meaning in our. Also, learned that giving people freedom, opportunities to learn, and a sense of purpose can inspire them to achieve great things. As a student, this encouraged me to focus on learning and personal growth. Don Pink message is that the motivation does not come from reward and punishment alone. Instead, people perform their best when they have autonomy, mastery, and purpose. By understanding these principles, student, teacher, or organization create environment where people are motivated to learn, grow, and success. Thank you for listening.